Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect cell batteries. Before we begin, it's crucial to understand the basics. We'll identify the positive and negative terminals on each cell, which are typically marked. Safety is paramount, so always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and insulated gloves, to prevent any accidental short circuits or shocks. This foundational knowledge ensures a safe and effective connection process. For a series connection, you link the positive terminal of one battery cell directly to the negative terminal of the subsequent cell. Imagine a chain where each link adds to the total length. This configuration effectively sums the individual cell voltages. For example, connecting two 3.7-volt cells in series will yield a total of 7.4 volts. Always double-check that your connections are firm and well-insulated to prevent any unintended contact. To achieve a reliable connection, you'll need a few essential tools and materials. Select wires with an appropriate gauge, typically between 18 and 22 AWG, depending on your current requirements. A good quality soldering iron and lead-free solder are vital for creating strong, low-resistance joints. Finally, ensure you have heat shrink tubing or high-quality electrical tape to insulate all exposed connections, preventing short circuits and ensuring long-term durability. After making your connections, the final step is to test your battery pack. Use a multimeter to measure the total voltage across the entire series, confirming it matches your expected sum. Carefully inspect every connection point for any loose wires or inadequate insulation. Remember, never intentionally short-circuit the battery pack, as this can cause severe damage or even a fire. Proper testing ensures your setup is safe and fully functional.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.